There's a lot of you that are learning the 4x4 cube. A lot of you know how to do the 3x3 already. Well, with the 4x4, there comes a time where you get all the edge pieces. As you can see, I got most of the edge pieces. But then there are two edge pieces that just, no matter how hard you try, you can't do them. Here it's red, blue, and yellow, green. What you do is you put them both on the second level. Sometimes you get the diagonal. Diagonal. And sometimes you get the crossways. Yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. It's more desirable to do this. The green's opposite, the red's opposite. Because it's easier to solve from this position. So you get it like this. Actually, I'll show you something. Okay, here's the diagonal. If you got the diagonal, the fastest way to get to the other way, the next level, put it to the back, put it down, bring it to the side, bring it up. Anyway, this is more desirable. Yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. This is desirable. You should see the green and red, And for those of you who do the speed cube, you're going to like this next move to actually solve these two edge pieces into matching pieces. What you do is you put it in storage, go up and up, turn, down, and down, and bring it back. So now you got your red, blue, and your yellow, green. Once again, if you have a diagonal that's not desirable, well, if you do have the diagonal, this is what you do. You go to the back, you go down, and that's it. Okay, now this is more desirable. Yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. This is most desirable. And you can solve the edge pieces. Put this yellow here in storage. Then you go up and up, turn the top, down, down, and bring the yellow back. Now your red, blue, yellow, green, more desirable. Once again, I'll show you this. If you have the diagonal, you don't want it. You go to the back, go to the bottom, bring it to the side, and up the front. You have the more desirable yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. This is what you want to see. Oh, and if you have two edges that are like this, make sure they go on the second level. And this is how you get the yellow, green, red, blue to match, to solve. You put this yellow in storage, and you go up and up, turn the top and down and down, and bring the yellow back. And you got your red, blue, yellow, green, and everything else is done. You're ready to solve the cubes the way you would a 3x3 cube. Showing you this move again. After solving all the edge pieces, you end up with two edge pieces that just don't cooperate. What you do is you put them on the second level. You have yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, green, red, blue, but they just don't want to match up. If you got the diagonal, this is what you do. It takes 4 moves. You put it to the back, to the bottom, to the right, and to the front. Now you have the more desirable yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. And this is easily solvable by putting these two yellow pieces in storage. Go up, up, turn the top, and then down, down, and bring back the yellow. Now you have your yellow, green together, and your red, blue together. Here we are again. You get all the edge pieces done, except for the last two. Here it's yellow, green, and red, blue. What you want to do is you put them on the second level. Here we have what is known as the diagonal. Yellow. No, this is desirable. What if I have a diagonal? Okay, here we have a diagonal. Red, blue, red, blue. What you want to do is you want to go to the next level in solving the cube. To do this, the easiest way to do this is to go to the back, down, to the side, and then back up the front. Now you have the more desirable yellow, green, red, blue, red, blue. See, yellow, yellow, blue, blue. That's how it should be. With your two last pieces. And to solve this, you put the yellow in storage. You go up and up, turn the top, and go down, down, and bring the yellow back. And as you can see, the red, blue is done, and the yellow, green are done. You can now proceed to solve the cube the way you would do a 3x3. Here I've got the white already. And since we have the edge pieces, we can do the corners. Well, unless you're one of those speed cubers where you put the cross on the bottom. But there you have it. The 3 R moves, getting the diagonal, and then solving that piece to get all the edge pieces.